Senior Kids. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our EVS class. So children, in the EVS class, we had started the concept of nature changes, and we had started the class with vertebrates, invertebrates, and then we have moved on to life cycle. So every day we are going to learn about an animal group and their life cycle. How do they change in the environment? Okay children, so we had started the class with the mammals and the life cycle of human beings, followed by and then today we are going to learn about reptiles. Okay children, so reptiles are they are different creatures. They don't have hair like mammal has in their body. So reptiles are animals with scales in their body. They have scales in their body or horny plates in their body, and they are cold-blooded. They are cold-blooded. That means they don't change their body temperature doesn't change even if it is hot weather or if it is cold weather. The body temperature remains the same. So they are cold-blooded. They lay eggs. They breathe from their lungs, and some of the reptiles, they also live in water and also in the land, okay, such as turtle, crocodile. And these reptiles, you know children, they lay eggs, at least 20 to 25 eggs at a time, and their eggshells are not as hard as the egg of hen. Okay, their eggshells are leathery. They have leathery eggshells that protects the young ones in the egg. Okay, so now I am going to show you the picture of some reptiles. Now have a look of the reptiles. So the very first one is the iguana. Iguana also comes in the family of reptiles. Okay, they have scaly skin. Turtle, look at the turtle. They also have the scaly skin. And crocodile, they have scaly skin. And the one that we know very well and we sometimes become scared of it, and that is snake. And next is the picture of chameleon. There comes the picture of chameleon. Have a look at this. And finally lizard. This is a picture of lizard that we have in our house. So every day in our house we see lizard, isn't it children? So all these animals, they are reptiles. Okay, have you noticed the scales in their body? So they have scales in the body. Some have scales, some skins have the horny plates in their body. They are cold-blooded, they lay eggs, they breathe through their lungs, and these are the reptiles. And next we are going to see the life cycle of snake. As I said that we are going to learn the life cycle of snake. The very first stage of life cycle of snake is the eggs. The mama snake lays eggs. So first stage is the eggs. So at a time, mama snake lay at least 20 to 25 eggs. They lay 20 to 25 eggs, and as I said that their eggshells are leathery texture. They have leathery texture that protects the young snakes in the egg. From the egg comes out the baby snake. Okay, when the egg is hatched, there comes out the baby snake. Now these are the baby snakes, small snakes. Okay, baby snakes grows up into to become the big adult snake, and they become the adult snake. Here it is. This is the adult snake. So these baby snake, when they grow up, they become the adult snake. Do you know what is the lifespan of snake? It is 20 to 25 years. Okay, 20 to 25 years. Okay, now have a closer look at the life cycle of snake. So as you could see that this is the snake eggs, and from the snake eggs comes out the baby snake. From the baby snake, when the baby snake grows up, it again becomes adult snake. Then again adult snake lay eggs, and then adult snake lay eggs, and from the eggs comes out the baby snake, and baby snake becomes grow up and becomes adult snake. So likewise, this is the life cycle of snake that goes out again as a cycle. Okay children, so today we had learned about reptiles, and specifically we had learned about the life cycle of reptiles, and today we are going to do a takeaway. So kids, I have given you all a new takeaway cover now. So you have taken a new takeaway cover. So take it out and we are going to make the takeaway of snake. So from the new takeaway cover, you need to take this circle shaped white color chart and a bubble wrap, square shaped bubble wrap, a red color tongue, one Google eye. So take all the piece out. Now keep everything aside. First we need to prepare this bubble wrap. So what you have to do, roll this bubble wrap in the rolling pin. If you have rolling pin in your house, take it out and roll it. Stick a sellotape here. Okay, and then roll it like this. Okay, then again take a small piece of sellotape and stick it here in this end and also in this end. Okay, keep it aside and ready. Now one more thing you have to do is, this is the soft side of this circular chart, this is the rough side, and on the rough side you need to make the spiral pattern. Okay, we are going to do the bubble wrap painting here. For doing this activity, before doing this activity, we need to make the spiral pattern here. If you make the spiral pattern, only then you could cut out into the snake. Okay, make spiral pattern and then we are going to do the bubble wrap painting. For doing the bubble wrap painting, mix green color paint. Mix green color paint. It should be in thick consistency. It should be in thick consistency and mix it in a shallow tray, because we need to roll this rolling pin. The one which we had wrapped with the bubble wrap, no, we have to roll it like this. Nicely roll it so that the paint, it get all the paint all over, the paint gets touched. Okay, like this. Roll the rolling pin with the bubble wrap nicely in the paint, and after that take this circle paper and now roll it on this. You have to roll it, okay? You should not drag it, you should roll it, okay? Once you finish, let it dry. Now you can see some scaly pattern here on this chart, okay? So this is the scaly pattern that we need to have, because reptiles have scaly skin. So roll it nicely. If the paint is in thick consistency, only then you will get this pattern. If the paint is in thin consistency or watery, then you won't get this pattern, okay? So make sure that the paint is in thick consistency. So once you finish rolling this, let that circular paper get dry, okay? Once it get dry, what you have to do, you have to cut it. Now you have to cut it like this. So let it dry, and after that you need to cut it, okay? So once it becomes dry, cut it along with the circular pattern like this, and stick this tongue here. Stick this tongue here in the mouth. The red color should come here in the upper side, okay, like this, and after that turn it and stick the eyes. Okay, now the snake is ready. Takeaway snake is ready. First you need to do the painting work. If you, after drying of the paint, only then you have to cut this into spiral pattern, stick the tongue below the head, stick the eye above the head. Now your snake is all ready. You can stick the snake in your house, okay? So kids, today we had learned about reptiles and life cycle of snake. Okay children, so I hope that you had enjoyed today's class, and I had shown you how to make paper plate snake. Today we had made paper plate snake. So what are you waiting for? Take out your takeaway and make the paper plate snake and take the picture of it and send it in group. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.